Right. Do it half at least.
I can't drink half a pint now.
Come on, it's only small, babe.
I don't care if it's small, it stinks like cat piss.
If you come on, you're gonna get many hits on YouTube.
Fuck me. It's just gonna be something else stupid I've done. And, I put it on YouTube. Oh, it'd be funny. You drink it. If you drink half, I'll drink the last half.
If you drink half,
No,
I'll drink.
If you drink half, I'll drink. No. If Anton drinks half, I'll drink half. No. If you eat this apple, I'll drink half of that.
Come on. Come on, do it. You can do it. Just.
I know I can, but I'm gonna be sick tomorrow.
No, you won't. So just milk. All milk is alright. It doesn't matter.
Fuck.
Yeah, it's fun. It's you only open it. No one pissed in that, so everything's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, half of it. Come on. Just close your eyes and do it. Oh, yeah! Oh. Close it up, leave for later. Shit.
Oh.
Was that bad?